All right, so let's take a look at this one. Here's your stats on it. And oh, well, this comes with a lot of stuff. Okay, let's set that over there. All right, so right off the bat, there's two of these. Let me set them there for now. And then I think you've got a small wrist lanyard here. Set that there. And then you've got this one here, which is a little bit different than that one. See how this one is like it's plastic. It's all one piece. And there's two of these lanyards in here. Look at that. So you got this one, and you've got this one. All right. And so now, to use this, you could take this if you want, right? And you could put it through here, just like that. Grab your phone, put your phone in your case. So now this is coming from the bottom. Then you take your lanyard, and you're going to stick it right through there, I guess. Like that, and bam, Bob's your uncle. Now you can go ahead and you can adjust this so that it's longer or shorter, depending on how much room you need to put it on your shoulder. So I'm going to do that now so you guys can see. Okay, so here's my lanyard. Look, so I've got it here, and you can wear it like that. Or if you want, you could just wear it, in front of you. You can put it on either shoulder. It's got this little, I guess that's just a brand thing that's showing you the brand of it. But yeah, that's it right there, man. Now you got it. You're just doing your thing. And then these here, you can shorten them if you want. Like if I want just to go around my neck like that, I just pull these down. And it shortens it. Let me show you. So now you can make it, if you really want to get it short, like for a neck thing, you could do that. See that? So now it's like a neck thing. Or it could be, just around the wrist, right? Just like that. So yeah, that's how it works. Then if I want to make it longer, I just pull it. And bam, Bob's your uncle. Now you're going with the hippage. Hippidippity-doody. You know what I mean? Yeah, and that's it. That's how you do it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. This is the same thing. It works the same way, by the way. And then you just have to click it in. Yeah. Peace out.